Let's find the speed of the go-karts. And then you can use the same strategy to find the speed of anything, okay? So the first thing we need is a distance reference, and we know that the distance between these fence posts, if you have this framing of the video, that distance from that post to that post is 2.92 meters, okay? So if you take a video with that in the reference, that you can use that, okay? So let's go video analysis. And let's choose a file, and I've got my video on my go-karts there. Okay. And the first thing you want to do is tell the system that that is 2.92 meters. 2.92 meters. You could also have somebody just stand with a distance reference briefly in the frame of the picture. That also works. I don't know the length of these cars. That would also be handy, but I just don't know. Okay, so let's see. So now I think we're ready to go. What I want to do is find a spot where these people go by. And let's find a good one here. Here comes a dude. That yellow one looks pretty good here, doesn't it? I'm going to click on the top of his backrest. Okay. What should I click on? I could click, I think, just on that. Okay. And I think it's okay to just do every frame because they're going pretty fast. So here we go. Let's go boop. Oh, yeah, they're moving. Betty boop. They're moving down a little bit here, too. I think they're going a pretty constant speed. I'm going to pretend they're only going in the X direction, even though they have a little X and Y. All right, that's probably good enough. I can get one more click in there. Okay, now it's only it's really only the X that we care about here. The Y is just sort of some subtle thing. So let's look only at the X. Let's make this a little bigger. All right, and then let's just select these points, and we're just going to put a line through it. The slope of the line is going to be slope of the line will be our velocity. So here we go, click on this, click curve fit. You want the linear one, so just apply that. And that slope literally is their velocity. So you could just measure the velocity of all the cars as they go by. The question it might be, are they all the same? I think they're all roughly about the same velocity. I haven't noticed that any are particularly faster, but they might not be. That would be hard-hitting science, right? You could also use this velocity to look at, like, so when it goes around a corner, you could figure out the coefficient of friction if you knew the radius of the corner. And anyway, use your imagination. But that would be how you'd find the velocity of it. And notice how well it fits on that line. That's kind of cool. All right.